V-neck real low. If I'm feeling sexy, then expect some skin will show. Don't you think I look tacky? I go to a mission and me and in my Reebok. Ain't got on wear my white and be flashy. A short skirt doesn't mean that I want it. My appearance doesn't represent my wallet. This is for the ignorant ones with opinions. Get your 2 cents inside your pocket. Just to win me on you. Just to win me.
No comment.
That doesn't have to go on camera.
Too late. Okay, so I look crazy. As you can see, I am getting ready to wash my hair. We just came back from a hike. We did Crowders Mountain again. We did a different peak. A different peak this time around. So I'm really sweaty and disgusting, and I didn't want to shower without washing my hair while I was at it. So yeah, and Brandon had the brilliant idea of letting us watch or picking the movie of the night, which was Napoli Ever After, and it was absolutely awesome. It was a really good movie and just really appropriate for me doing my hair. But it was very beautiful. I mean, big chops, all the emotions. I mean, she's a great actress, and the writing, it was beautiful. It was, I love, recommending you. Just go watch it. Go watch Napoli Ever After. It's on Netflix. It was amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair because I need to look right for church. Plus, my hair smells like sweat from working out this week. I'm gonna go wash my hair. So I just washed my hair. Yeah, I found out later that I had popped all my Sisterlocks rubber bands, the colorful ones that came with the starter kit, and I couldn't find all my small black ones. So I used regular hair bands and I bunched them up. So I have like 4 in a 4 in a band, and I just made it work somehow. So don't judge. The point is to still band them somehow so they don't unravel. So that's a new trick I've learned. That way it's less things to remove. So I'm just gonna unravel them and start curling them. I have my trusty curlers here. So I'm gonna use a bunch of these and get to work.
And
on all things Jeffrey.
I thought I was done. I see somebody hanging. Ugh, I forgot one. Babe, is there any more loose ones? Are there, terrible English, are there any more loose ones?
I don't see it. That's the only one.
No, are you sure? Look properly.
That's the only one I see. Yeah. You're good. It's just
How did I miss this? Okay, let me fix it. All right, so I'm all done. It's 10:22. I'm all showered. I feel better. That hike ripped, it took a lot out of me. Yeah, so I'm gonna dry it a little bit with my blow dryer and do my other chores. I gotta get my nails done and go to bed, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, a happy Sunday. So I'm getting ready for church. I just rolled out of bed, got in the shower. It was really awkward showering with this on my head, but I tried not to get it wet. I had a bit of a shower cap covering some of it, whatever. So now it's just time to dry it some more to make sure that it's dry. Thank you. What do you think?
Looks good.
Thank you. All that uncomfortable sleeping. Look at how poofy I am. I have to get dressed. I'm so tired. All right, so all done. Gonna go get dressed for church, and if we can make it on time. I'm really sleepy. I didn't get much sleep with these rollers in my head, y'all. I didn't. So all done getting dressed. All I've done is sectioned off a couple of the rolls in front. I didn't want to unravel them until I know what I'm doing. And I want to try to use another of my lovely Ankarage scarves, head wraps, because we have 5 minutes to leave the house. And I'm hoping I can kind of give myself a good hair day, you know, despite not being ready. So when it comes, it's just kind of already pre-cut into a manageable size, and it's quite long. This is how long it is, so not bad. I chose this in the more in black to kind of give me a little bit of a pop of color. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So all I'm doing is folding the back just a little bit so that the tag doesn't show. And then I'm going to cover up my kitchen in the back, like so. I'm just going to brush my edges and separate my curls. So this is the finished look. I just threw on some hoop earrings, my ruby wool lipstick, and my, you know, same combo Maurice York watch. I'll have a coupon code below if you want to get this watch. I'll have the scarf linked below as well. And yeah, so I'm ready to head out, and I just thought I'd show you the finished look in a quick hurry. But thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I know this video was a little all over the place. It was like a get ready with me slash who knows. But thanks for watching anyway, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.